So these are some end tables we made, I don't even know, years ago. It's just plywood with this racking angle situation. They've been vacationing in our other building on our property, and they're disgusting. Yeah. So we found a home for them. It's a shore house, and what I'm going to do is clean everything up, paint all the steel white, maybe paint the white, maybe paint the sides white, and then have a nice finish on top for both the plywood tops and then also just like the main top. So take it apart, clean it up. Let's go.